Turn this one off. Anyways, it has a nice, really pretty heathery background. Great two-way stretch. It's a small horizontal stretch, maybe 20%. So it's a pretty stable two-way. Okay. Get ready for our next one. This is called, let me try and remember what we called it. Secret Crush. And I love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's a color that you don't see very often. It's orange. Surprise! I feel like she's getting a little kind of twisted. So hopefully we've gotten the light a little bit better for you guys. I still would, on this one, I see that the mannequin is slightly, a little color, a little off from the image. The image is really more of the true color. It's pretty close this time. This is white brush poly. And this is ivory. This is lemon. I like the lemon with the orange. It brightens it up. Like it needs brightening up at all. This is peach. This is tangerine. Love those together. This is light pink. We have flowers on here with a lot of pink in them. Okay, this is my favorite part of this fabric is, do you see the green leaves? They're super green, so the seafoam matches perfectly. And so does the jade. And so does the teal. Teal looks better in person. Yeah, it's more green in person. And then also the hunter stripes are a great match because the color here is more like a jade rather than a hunter green. It's more of a jade green. How does your picture look on your phone? Okay.
I haven't even looked at it.
That's good.
Looks good.
Okay. So let me show you, maybe if I show you some more qualities for tri-blend, you can see the drape. It's got nice drape, but it's not slinky like, say, brush poly or single brush poly or rayon spandex is. So it's a tiny bit more structure. It's very soft, and it's not see-through. In case you were wondering, it is not see-through. All right. Thank you. Oh, I was getting lost there for a second. Okay, so let's move on. We have a couple rayon spandex to look at. The first one is this tiny black dots. This is like the brush poly that we had, but this is in rayon spandex. And yes, we're going to get the tiny black dots and brush poly back. They're on order with the supplier. I think he's still waiting for them to come in from overseas. So this is, wow, that looks navy. It's not, it's black and white. You could use, you can use the white brush poly with it or the ivory. They both match. Let's see. They both match the dots. Trying to get better color. Black solid. Of course, matches. Of course. And if you want to get crazy, you could throw the black and white stripes in with that. You want to be dotty and stripy. So rayon spandex is 95% rayon. Jersey, I think it's 95.5, 5% spandex. It has a ton of drape. It's a very lightweight fabric. You could use it for maxi skirts, but it is actually, most of the maxi skirts you buy in the store are made out of rayon. It has crazy stretch. It's not see-through. When you put it on, you can't see through it, but when I hold it up, you can. It's very bouncy and stretchy, and it has great drape. Something to consider with rayon, a couple of things if you've not worked with it before, is it has a tendency to grow because it is so stretchy. So sometimes you may want to size down if you're using rayon. Also, be careful with rayon when it's wet. The fibers become weaker when the fabric is wet than when it's dry. Also, when you have a dark rayon spandex that is dark on one side but light on the back side, I recommend that you do not put it in the dryer. Wash it and hang it to dry. You'll have you'll have better results that way. So this is our black dots. And here is this gorgeous coral Aztec. This is so pretty. It's rayon spandex. Jeez, a lot of matches on this one. Okay, so this does match the white double brush poly. Oh, that's so cute together. Also, the ivory looks great with it too. The almond looks good. This color actually shows up in this band right here. So it looks fantastic with it. Khaki. There's a ton of colors in this one. There's a lot of colors in through here. This khaki matches that. I like the way the khaki looks with the coral. Khaki and coral are great together. So are mocha and coral. This is mocha. Oops. This is camel. There's gold and various colors throughout. So this is dusty olive. Coral. Tangerine. Pink rose. There's some pink up along in here and in here, and it's this color, pink rose. Solid jet black. If you want to get a little funky, this is the rayon dots I just showed you. Let's see if I can figure out how to not go sideways. Be cute together. You could throw stripes in there. This is black and white brush poly stripes. That's cute together. I like that. And then this is regular